we're live, we're direct, and we got the biggest mirror in the mirror car game industry. Benny's bolt-ons, part 1, install video, unboxing, all in one. Yeah boy. I'm confused. Amazon or eBay? This is the unboxing part. The box doesn't look in bad shape. Slice. Let's see what we got. Dun, dun, dun. Can you guess what it is yet? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Look at the rig. Look at the rig. Can you see the rig? Can you see the rig, man? Look at that. In the box. 4 brackets, 2 spinning jobbers. Hardware. Nuts and bolts. Them is protected. So I guess I'll take them off. Nothing on that side. Gotta be. Instructions. Take a look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Boom. It's gonna be exciting. How do I look? How do I look? Hey. Give me this stuff. Oh. Da 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 da. Ain't gonna need this no more. Ain't gonna need him. Ain't gonna need him. One R32 Skyline review mirror for sale if anyone wants one. Original. One careful owner. Top of the range. Freedom. Look at that. I'll give it a see, so good. So go there. Oh, you little turd. I need to figure out where them brackets go. Yours might be a bit complicated than mine, but you can do it with the stuff on there. Just got to screw through in that 2 brackets. Trial and error, mate. Trial and error. Oh, let's make an hole. Get yourself some screwy things. Measure twice, cut and drill once. That's the shit I've been talking about. I reckon there and there, like I got no care. Drilled me a hole for all your car installs. Give me a shout. Keep it down, I'll try and make a video. People around here just don't care about my YouTubing sensations. Oh, you should wear safety glasses as well, because stuff might go in your eyes. Look after your eyes, kids. For the screws supplied with this kit, use the 3.5mm drill bit. Nothing there. Living the dream. He's in. Ice cream man! Ice cream! Ice cream! Bada bang, bada bang, bang. Bada bang, bada bang, bada bang, bang. Bada bang, bang. Bada little, 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 ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. There he goes, baby. The ice cream man! Right, I think that's it. He's happy with that. Probably best to do a pilot hole first, but yeah boy. Before you drill into there might be wires. And just so y'all know, Benny's bolt-ons continues. How's that gonna go? Dip, dap, trouble like that. Yeah, that's good. Happy days. I'm not far away for this mirror. Hey, hey. Might be worth putting something down to catch all the birds as well. Be careful when you get to the end, because it might pop through the roof. And y'all don't want holes in the roof, because you'll get water on your head. Let's take them for a look. See them for a look. Ooh. Brackets. Brackets. Oh yeah. This is a bit of trickery now. Sorry guys if I'm in your way. But you know it is, kid. Now I need spanner. I reckon a 10 or an 8mm will do it. Spanner it up, and doesn't feel right. That's better. It's pretty weird, to be honest. Where's my spanner gone? It's on my lap. You won't have seen that. A wasp just tried flying into the window. Oh, he didn't try, he actually did fly into the window. He flew into the window. To the window. On the door. That wasp isn't here anymore. Is it secure? Is it fastened? Is it upside down? Is it the wrong way round? Stickers by Griffield. Griffield. Where's the centre? There's a centre. Love stickers. I want to stick in my whole car. I don't see the point in it, to be honest, but it's fucking brilliant. I don't see the point in it, to be honest, but it's alright. Benny's bolt-ons, mate. Massive, massive mirror. Yeah, literally, 4 screws, pop them in, whiz it on, tighten it up, happy days. Install Benny's bolt-ons. Thanks for coming, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. See you on the next one. That's Basket Vlogs. Come again. Thanks for watching. That's what it is, kids. As seen on, God knows, you might not have seen it anyway, might never have seen it before. But as seen on Benny 46 Drift's car, wink mirror. Big bada boom, baby. Talking shit all day long. I'm here all day.
Walking to the car. Walking to the car.
Yes, sir. Oh, look at that mirror. Look at that mirror. Shit hot. On that test drive, yo. Oh. Left, right. Mirror signal manoeuvre. Take it for a test drive. Oh yeah, it feels faster already. Hey! I don't know if you can see what I can see. I can see a bloody lot in this mirror. Woohoo! Test drive! The scene's quite secure. You can definitely see a lot of stuff going on in the background. Shit hot! Me and my massive mirror. Oh, indication, baby. Indication, baby. Me and my massive mirror. That's it. That's the end of the show, people. See you next time. Until then, you're amazing. The report. After a few days of driving using this mirror, I can confirm or report that it's quite shaky and it needs to be mounted on a bit of an angle, because where it's straight across the car, the mirror blades are not tilted enough, so it's sort of like you see too much out of that window on the other side of the passenger side. But it is cool. It is cool. Come on guys, come on! One way around the track. Scream if you want to go faster. Woohoo!